Are you wondering how you connect your DJI Mic Mini to your iPhone? How you use it and how you get the sound from the DJI Mic Mini into your camera app, and what settings you have available and what they mean and how you use them? Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to get great sound from your DJI Mic Mini into your iPhone. Let's get to it. Now, here is the DJI Mic Mini. This is 2 transmitters and a receiver, and you can connect it to any camera. You can connect it to your iPhone, you can connect it to your computer, and you can connect it, the transmitters, directly to any DJI camera or device. I'm going to show you how to use the DJI Mic Mini with your iPhone. So let's take a look at the DJI Mic Mini. This is the receiver. It's got a volume gain adjustment on the side here, which goes plus 12 dB, plus 6 dB, 0 dB, minus 6 dB, and minus 12 dB. So you have 1 and 2, if you can see that. Number 1 and 2, those are the LEDs that show if mic 1 is connected, and when I take it out of the casing, it connects automatically. The same should yours do when you get it new. And now number 2 is also connected automatically. They are the system that DJI have made is very, very user-friendly. Now I have my trusty old iPhone 15 Pro Max here. If I plug this in to my iPhone like this LED on the receiver starts to light constantly. That means that it's connected, and both the LEDs 1 and 2, this is mic number 1 and this is mic number 2. I think I usually have number 1 as black and number 2 as gray. There's a reason for that. I'm going to tell you that at the end of the video, so hang with me. Anyway, download the DJI Mimo app. If you can see it here, it's the DJI app that controls everything. If you start the Mimo app and you go to settings, you can see the volume is going up and down. It's left and right channel. Both channels are combined now, so they are both the same volume. If I tap this mic, the volume goes up, and if I tap this mic, the volume goes up. So if I turn on stereo, which I can do inside the app, I tap there, and now I have stereo. So if I now touch this mic, you can see that this is mic number 2, which is the gray one, and this the black one is mic number 1, left channel. That's left channel, that's right channel. More settings in this app. Safety track. You can turn on a safety track, which you cannot do in stereo mode. You can only do that in mono, which means if you turn that on, it will record on one channel, one signal, and it will record on the other channel another signal with a slightly lower volume, so that you don't clip the signal. So you have 2 choices, one recorded on the left channel and one on the right channel with a lower volume. So it's a safety feature. I never use that because I haven't seen any real use for that, since I have the volume control here and also in the camera app. So that's the safety track. If I turn on stereo, you can see that both is moving. And when I tap my desk, I'm going to put them a little more apart. If I tap my desk on the left, you can see that Left is highest, right is highest. Okay, more settings. Low cut. I use that sometimes. I turn that on sometimes when I'm out and about and recording on the outside, because that will cut the frequencies below 100 Hertz, which is, I think, a pretty high number for a mix system to cut. There is a lot of the low end which disappears then, which is filtered out. But if you have a lot of wind noise and a lot of rambling or low frequency noise, you can turn that on to get that filtered out. Or you can do it in post-production, of course. You can choose any which way you want. The auto off, if you turn that off, the receiver will be automatically powered off in 15 minutes if you're not being connected to anything. So I leave that on. Auto on off with camera, I also leave that on. So if I turn off my camera and this is connected, receiver is connected, it turns off automatically. Clipping control is also something that I turn on. I don't want to clip my signal. If I want to record a little better audio, I turn it off. But most of the time I leave it on because I use it mainly for speaking and talking on videos. So I'll leave that on. Transmitters. If you can see here on the transmitter, there's a green LED which signals that it's paired with the receiver. And there is a Mic LED button here in the app that if you turn it off, let's see. If you turn Mic LED off, the LED on the transmitter is dark. So that's good if you are in a setting where you don't want the LED to be visible. If you turn it on, everybody can see that you're recording something. So there may be uses for that. Okay, that's the basic stuff. I'm going to exit the app and when this LED on the receiver is cyan or some blue-greenish, it indicates that it's in stereo mode. If you want it in mono, you double tap this button and the color of the LED turns green. That means that it's in mono mode. If we start the DJI app, you can see that it's in mono mode. If we turn on stereo mode, it turns bluish. If you turn on mono mode, which is something that I normally use all the time because I use mostly one mic. So, but if you want one mic on one person and another mic, the other mic on another person, and you want them separated, you can turn on stereo. Then you will have this mic for one person, and then you will have this mic for the other person. For example, in an interview situation or something like that. Okay, like I said, the DJI Mic Mini is already paired and it's ready to go when you open the case and put in the receiver into your iPhone, and or you can plug it into your computer. Same thing. Then you will have it as the DJI Mic Mini as a sound source for Windows. Anyway, I'm going to show you one more thing. If you take a look here, there is a yellow LED on this side, that signals that noise reduction is on. Noise reduction is turned on. And the way we turn off noise reduction, you'll get a little bit better audio if you do that. You press the on button once, then the LED goes out, and that signals that there is no noise reduction at this point. Now noise reduction is back on. And when I'm outside, I use for the most part noise reduction, or if I'm driving in my car, it's good to have noise reduction on. If you're inside and recording videos like I am now, I normally turn noise reduction off, because I don't need that on here inside, because it's pretty quiet here. I want to show you one more thing. A low cut filter is something that you use on the outside normally, or inside if you have a lot of low frequency noise on your video. Now the camera app that I normally use is the Blackmagic camera app, and I'm going to switch to another lens. Here you can see the volume level on the left and the right channel. I think this is connected to DJI now, DJI Mic. Let's find out. Tap settings and go down until you get to audio source. No, it's connected to iPhone. If I tap DJI Mic Mini, we are on the DJI Mic Mini, which means if I tap this mic, you can see it on the volume meters. Now if we turn it over to stereo, like that, it turns blue. Now we should have them separated. Right one and left one. I'm going to record here so that you can see what it sounds like on my iPhone. I'm connected in stereo, both left and right channel. This is the right channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the left channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can see here, you can see that the volume is just right. It's slightly into the yellow, which is what it should be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right channel is also into the yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the volume control is on 0. If I turn it up and try again, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see that the right channel goes into the red, which is not good. So 0 dB is where I want this to be if I have this around 5, 6 inches from my mouth, or maybe 10 inches from my mouth also. It's okay to use it on 0 dB. If you're in a noisy environment, you can of course turn it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can turn it down to 12 if you are in a very noisy environment. So that should be that should be something that you have to consider. I'll turn it up to 0 dB, so we're at normal volume again. Okay, let's go through some technical stuff, technical data. That is, I like technical data because it tells me something about the technical performance of the microphone system. So the frequency range is 20 to 20,000 Hertz, which is the complete audible range that human ear can hear. The noise level is 24 dBA, which is a good noise floor. You have to really listen good to be able to hear the noise floor. It's not a professional level noise floor. My lav mic, which is the Tascam DR10L Pro 32-bit float, which I have here, and the recorder is in my belt, that has about half that noise floor, so it's much more silent than this. But the comfort of using the DJI Mic Mini is outweighing the professional audio, and nobody will be able to hear if you are using DJI Mic Mini versus another professional system anyway. The charging time is about 90 minutes, which is the casing plus both the transmitters and the receiver. Takes 90 minutes to charge. The operating time is 11.5 hours for the transmitter, and it's 10.5 hours for the receiver. So you can keep it going for at least 10.5 hours, and the charging case can charge the whole system approximately 3.6 times. So you have over 3 complete charges, which gives you around 35 hours, 40 hours of great audio recording. The temperature range, when you're charging, you have to keep the temperature between 5 and 45 degrees centigrade, which is normally a good temperature. You're probably going to take it inside if you are out in the winter cold and recording and you need to charge stuff. You should do it inside, because these batteries inside the transmitters and the charging case cannot be at -degrees. They don't take a charge then. The operating temperature of this system is -10 degrees centigrade to 45 plus centigrade. So you can take it out into the winter cold without being any problem with that. The max sound pressure level of the system is 120 decibels, which is very good. My lavalier mic has a dynamic range and maximum SPL of 115 decibels. So this is 5 decibels still. So that's approximately a jet fighter taking off with full afterburner on a little distance. So it's very, very loud. The range which this system has is 400 meters. You can use them up to 400 meters. People have tested, and actually you're pretty close to 400 meters. Not that you would have any use for a wireless mic that has a 400 meter range, but it does, so that's pretty good. I thought I would show you how to pair these transmitters to the receiver. So if I press here on the link button, you can see it here. I press and hold that for a few seconds. It connects, or it sets up for pairing, and you also have a button here on the transmitter, which is a connecting button. If you press that and hold it, you can see that transmitter 1 is connected. It's not blinking anymore. It's solid green. And the same here. Now it's waiting for transmitter 2, which is this one. I touched the button, so it connected automatically. So anyway, it's the same procedure here. If you want to pair it, you just you press this button for a few seconds, and you press this connection button. Then it says 2 green lights on the receiver, and that means that everything is connected up. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you is when you go to settings, you can update the firmware on these. I've just did that about an hour ago, and I cannot show you now how you do that. But you have to connect these transmitters directly to the phone via Bluetooth, which you can do if you double click here. And then this one is connected to the phone via Bluetooth. I'll show you, let's see, settings. No, not here. There you go. Bluetooth. DJI Mic Mini. This one is connected, which means that if I start the DJI Mic or the DJI app, about devices, and you get DJI Mic Mini, you get device serial number, and you get the firmware version, which is the latest firmware. So when you want to update them, you just connect, and if you go to settings, you go to the bottom, about devices. If there is a new version and you have an old version, there's a red mark on devices, and you get some buttons and stuff that lets you update the firmware. Everything is in the manual, so I just thought I would mention that. That is pretty much how you use the DJI Mic Mini together with your iPhone, and it's a great microphone system. I've had this system for a year or so, and I have used it a lot for my phone, and I've also used it for my camera, my ZV-10, which I'm recording on right now. It has a Rode Video Mic Go 2 on top of it, and I also have 32-bit float on my Tascam. But I still use the DJI Mic Minis for recording outside, and just grabbing one of them and going with it. It's so easy, and it's so fast to record a video when I'm in the car or whatever. So that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me. Remember to press a like if you got something out of this, and also consider subscribing. There's more tutorials and how-tos and stuff coming up in future videos. Okay, thanks. Bye.